Okay, welcome to TJK Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very special Hong Kong style egg waffle. Okay, the ingredients we have is sugar. We need 120 grams, and then 28 gram oil, 28 gram evaporated milk, and 140 gram water. And then for the powder, we need the baking powder, 7 gram, tapioca powder, 28 gram. Sorry, it should be tapioca powder, okay, 28 gram. And then flour, 140 gram, and 2 eggs. Okay, later on I'm going to show you how to scramble everything together. Okay, now we need to scramble 2 eggs with the sugar together. I want a medium powder for 40 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, after 40 seconds, we mix the oil and then milk and then water Now, we shift the powder, flour into it, and then we mix them together. Now, we put in the fridge for 1 hour.
A few moments later.
Okay, we pull it. And then you need to hold it very tight and flip it for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. You flip another side for another 2 minutes. Okay, after that you can take it out slowly with a fork. Okay, here you go.